thinking of quitting your 9 to 5 this year and become a content creator? Before you make that switch, before you make that decision, please, you need to watch this video, because I'll be sharing with you the pros, the cons, and things you should consider before making that decision. My name is IJAPARI Gang, and on this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, content creation, and cryptocurrency. I have moved from earning $0 on the internet to making thousands of dollars consistently, month after month, on the internet, using my mobile phone via content creation, YouTube, and all that. I've shared my strategy in this video. You can come watch it later. I will drop it in the description of the video. But here is what you need to know before making a switch from 9 to 5 to becoming a content creator. Number one, what are the pros of content creation? Of course, I know a lot of people will be so happy. Flexibility and time freedom. Yes, you'll be flexible, you have time freedom. That is one of the pros. The second, unlimited income potential. From the start, you might not be earning much, but as you grow, oh my God, like you will be like, why have I been wasting my time? If you really do it well and you follow the right strategy, you will be so happy, because the income potential is unlimited. There is no end. There is no limit to how much you can make on the internet. The third pros is building personal brand. You can't even begin to imagine, like, when I start negotiating with some brands, before I mention them in my videos, sometimes I'll be like, what a time to be alive. There's a brand that when we were talking, I said, I cannot mention you. I cannot make video with less than $500 for a video. This is just the beginning. Like, if as people go higher, there are people that are charging up to $100,000 to talk about a brand. Go to lines of Mr. Beast and other people that are much higher than me. So the personal brand and the income potential, flexibility, time freedom, those are the pros of content creation. So what are the cons, so that you will know? Is number one, income instability. When you are starting, like, you can make $10,000 this month and you can make $3,000 next month. It can be very, very unstable, but believe you me, if you build very well, and if you are wise enough that as you are making money on the internet, you are also investing in other businesses like landed properties and other stuff, or transportation, even when the income is not stable, you can still be making money. But always know that if you cannot control your emotion, you can, like, what is happening? How did I make $15,000 last month and this month I'm making only $4,000? It can be like that. So those are the cons. The second is it requires self-discipline. Oh my God, this one, like, I can talk for 10 hours about self-discipline. If you cannot discipline yourself, oh my God, if you cannot discipline yourself, don't even start. Don't even start. With everything I'm doing, sometimes, like, I feel unmotivated. Aside from burnout, I don't want to even go there. But if you are not disciplined enough, please go get books, read about self-discipline, read Compound Effects by Darren Hardy, read Sell Like Crazy, read books about productivity, watch podcasts about productivity and self-discipline, read books by No Excuses by Brian Tracy, read Eat That Frog and all that. You need to, like, learn self-discipline. It requires a lot of self-discipline, because you are no longer answerable to a boss. You can decide. Sometimes you can feel like, after all, even if I did not do, what is it? Then what's the difference between somebody that's going 9 to 5 and me, if I cannot just decide to lie down and sleep? If you did not get there, don't even try it. So it needs serious self-discipline. The third one is no benefit like health insurance or retirement plan. So as you are doing that, yeah, I want to go and start my business. Babe, come, sip that water, sit, let's talk. You should also know that as you are working under someone, it has benefits. So now that you are going to going to content creation, benefit like health insurance, benefit like retirement plan and pension and all that is not going to be there. So also plan for that. So what are the practical steps you need to take before you switch from 9 to 5 to starting a content creation or even your business? Is you need to build a content strategy and test the waters. No matter how busy you are, I don't care that you are a banker, I don't care that you're working 15 hours or you are transporting 5 hours going to your work, coming back, you are passing through the hold up and every other thing. You have to make time. That is why I say learn that self-discipline very well. Even if it means it's on Sundays, after church, come lock yourself. Even if it means you will now start paying somebody to do your laundry so that when you come back, you can create content. You have to build a content strategy and test the waters. While you are still working, get a strategy. Start creating content, because you could start for the next 6 months and you have not earned a dime. Even though, yes, if you watch this my video, I share where I started earning even with 500 subscribers and all that. But you might not be, maybe your niche might not be as my own, or one thing or the other, anything could happen. So because of that, you have to test the waters. Don't just enter with your 2 feet. Oh baby, carry one leg, touch it small and see how either it's too deep that you might be drowned. No. So while you are making that decision, build a content strategies. While you are working your 9 to 5, start creating, start learning. Take like 3 months to 6 months. Learn editing, learn filming, learn camera confidence, learn SEO. I'm not trying to scare you that you must learn all those things. As you start and you grow, you will keep learning. But all I am trying to tell you is that you have to test the waters. Don't just quit and come back and regret it. The second step in switching is you need to save at least 6 months to 1 year expense, your monthly expense. You can check how much do I spend in a month. So before you switch, even if you have tested the waters, even though you know about all the cons and the pros, you should also ensure that you save enough money that can take care of you for the next 6 months to 1 year. Extremely important. Number 3, you need to also check the monetization strategies of each and every platform. It's one thing for you to say you want to go into content creation. Is another thing completely different to know how those platform works, and that is why I did a detailed video, content creation 101. You can go watch where I explain a lot more details about content creation. I also share monetization strategies. I share different tips. So I will drop a playlist that is complete videos on content creation. All right, so if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give me a like. And the question now that I have for you that I want you to answer in the comment section is, are you ready to make a switch? Let me know in the comment section. And if not, what is holding you back from starting your content creation? All you need to do is to press record. I want to start coming online live on here on my YouTube channel, only for those that have subscribed to my channel that can see me live, where I can take your Q&A. And I also create a Telegram channel where we can engage and help each other grow on YouTube and other social media platforms. So thank you so much, and hope to see you in my next video. Bye.